What's up, guys? Universal Mastery. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to build a relationship with a demon. Okay, so the first thing that I want to go into about how to build a relationship with a demon is, first I want to break down why would you even want to build a relationship with a demon, okay? Now, a lot of you think that demons are bad, demons are going to take your soul to hell, demons can, just give you a very hard time in life, demons can be chaotic, demons can cause a lot of problems, but what you don't talk about is how demons can help you. And what I want to do is I want to shift you out of the mindset of thinking demons, are going to cause all these problems and they're going to do all this and they're going to, send you down a downward spiral and pretty much make your life harder. Because the fact of the matter is demons are 100% real, as angels are real. There is no good or bad between them. The only difference is they are different energetic frequencies. Some angels have demonic aspects, meaning an angel could be a demon and a demon could be an angel, depending on what face you look at it from, what aspect you want to tune into. But, once again, this video is about how to build a relationship with a demon. And, by running away from demons and by saying bad things about them, by pressing on them as if they're these creatures that, they're going to take you down, they're going to destroy your life, and by putting these names on them, it actually heightens the ability that they're really going to start fucking with you. So if you notice that, like, maybe you're in a religious mindset and you dive really deep into your own religion, and your religion tells you, to stay away from demons or to stay away from anything demonic, you might realize that the spiritual experiences that you have in your life are really more intense, like meaning that things happen to you all the time, like these certain situations happen where you feel like, fuck, why the fuck is this happening to me? And demons might fuck with you. Maybe you even see them, maybe you see scary creatures, maybe you see shadows, maybe you have these terrible nightmares all the time, or maybe just chaos manifests in your life and you don't understand why it's manifesting. Okay, maybe you don't understand why so many things are going wrong and you're blaming it on demons, when really what you want to do is you want to shift the paradigm, because really, once again, what the word demon means when it's broken down into Greek is daemon. And when you break down the definition of what daemon means, it means a good spirit, okay? And what a good spirit breaks down to is something that can help you, something that can benefit you, something that you can use on your tool belt. Just as if, you have a powerful friend, or, let's say you have your parents or your grandparents or someone, a mentor, a physical therapist, a psychological therapist, someone that can help you evolve, someone that's there specifically to help you get to a new level, someone that provides assistance for you and helps you to achieve certain things, okay? That's exactly how you want to view a demon. And I'm not saying all demons are like that. Yes, just as in angels, there are some spirits that don't want the best for you, okay? There are some spirits, it's just a fact, okay? It's just how it works. With the law of balance, it's the polarity. There are some spirits, there are some demons, there are some angels that don't want the best for you, and then there's others that do. So you don't want to run away just like you would in your daily life and be like, fuck everybody, like I don't trust anybody. You gotta trust the process. You have to trust the beings that are reaching out to you, because most likely the powerful beings, demons, are reaching out to you because they want to help you. They want to help you get to the next level, and that happens by you building a relationship with them. So in this video, once again, what I'm going to be talking about is how to build a relationship with a demon, okay? So first thing that I want to do is I want to light my incense, and I want to offer this to Balaam. Okay, So I just offered that to Balaam. That was the reason why I did that, is because he was the first demonic entity that I ever summoned, and I channeled, and I evoked, okay? Excuse me, I just got off of work, and this drink is absolutely amazing. I highly encourage you drink juices, fresh juices. That's beet juice right there. It's absolutely amazing. But going back into it, what are the simple things that you can literally do to build a relationship with a demon now that we understand why you would want to do that? It's going to provide subtle help in your life, okay? You're going to have certain situations manifest that these demons, once you build the relationship, I just want you to understand this right now. There are certain demons that want to help you right now. Whoever you are listening to this, there are certain demons that want to help you right now, and that probably, most likely, like 99.9999% are already helping you. You just may not be aware of it. So the more that you can strengthen your energetic connection with that being, the further that they can help you. And then you get to a point where you work with them, so you can direct them and say, hey, I need you to do this for me, or hey, can you do this for me? You know, for example, like, if, say, it's money that you're looking to manifest, hey, can you please open this door for me so I can manifest this money? Can you open a channel so I can manifest money? Okay, now what the demon's going to expect you to do is actually go and try and achieve that money. Like, go get a job, go find a way to make money for money to come in, and he'll do the work and bring it in, or she'll do the work and bring it in, whatever. So a simple way to build a relationship with these demons is literally taking a little bit of time out of every single day and just lighting an incense. Like, light an incense offering to the demon that you want to build a relationship with. So what I highly recommend is that you get an understanding of the 72 Goetic demons. Now, there is a lot of demons, okay? There's a lot of demons throughout the universe, throughout the worlds, okay? Now, the 72 Goetic demons are some of the most known and some of the most powerful demons. So if you're new to this and you're getting into this, I would recommend starting there. So there's a book called The Ars Goetia. Now, in this book, they talk a lot about, now personally, I haven't read it, but I study from people who have, so I've learned about these spirits. But basically in this book, it gives you a rundown of the 72 Goetic demons. But the thing about the book is it kind of teaches you how to, like, control them and like banish them and make them, like, do things and constrict them, when you don't want to approach working with demons that way, because demons will get upset with you, okay? You don't want to read the book and then have it tell you, you know, boss the demon around or call it this and command it in the name of whatever, this angel or whatever. And that's all dogma. That's all bullshit. That will lead you in a mental trap. You want to approach demons as if you would approach a loyal brother or a loyal sister or a parent, someone that you really trust and that really helps you. You want to say, hey, you know, I need your help with this. You want to be direct. You want to be honest, you want to command, but you also want to be respectful. You want to be loyal and you want to be honest with them. You want to open up and say, hey, you know, I command you to do this, and I will do what I need to do to achieve that so that you can do this for me. Like, it's not just, you know, throwing the energy around and just being disrespectful with it. It's like actually really trying to achieve something. That's the mindset that you want to come from when you do this work. So what I would recommend is reading a book like The Ars Goetia to get an understanding of what these 72 Goetic demons are. And there is also a corresponding 72, if you will, Goetic angels that correspond to these demons. In the way that I see it, these 72 Goetic demons have a corresponding aspect that is angelic, and you can tune into different energies. Once again, that's the difference between a demon and an angel. It's a different energetic frequency, okay? I can't really tell you like what exactly scientifically that difference is in that energetic frequency, but what I can tell you is there definitely is a difference, and that's what separates a demon from an angel. But once again, what I know is that a demon can also be an angel, and an angel can also be a demon at the same time. Those are the beings that I like to work with. 1 second. Okay. There you go. Sorry guys, my cat wanted to go outside. So that was that. And once again, you can look it up on Google. Go on Google, look up the 72 Goetia demons. There's even an app called the Goetia Guide, which I highly recommend you check out, because it's going to give you a general basis of, you know, what demons there are. You can like hit a button called Feeling Lucky, and it randomly populates any demon, and you can just study it. You can learn more about it. Studying about a demon will help you build a relationship with a demon. The more you get to know about it. So once again, taking it full circle back to what the subject is, once you start to realize what demons you're working with, that's the key. You want to figure out what specific demon am I channeling right now? What is the demon that I want to work with? What are the attributes that I want to learn? Let me learn about this demon, because I feel like there are certain attributes about this demon that correspond to who I am as a person, and it has things that I want to learn. Like, for example, if this demon correlates to intellect and I want to be smarter, then let me start working with this demon. Or if this demon specializes in communication, then let me start working with him because I want to learn how to communicate better. So you focus in on that, and then once you figure out what exactly demon it is that you want to start working with, then you want to take, you want to take time out of your day, like literally 15, 30 minutes, however long you want, however many times you want, the more the better, the more you're going to strengthen it, to just light an incense in honor of that demon, or draw its sigil. Okay, draw its sigil. Once again, I'm going to make a whole video on what a sigil is, but a sigil is basically a symbol of that spirit, of that frequency, and you want to draw it, and you want to meditate on it, because when you meditate on a sigil, you're opening up a spiritual gateway, you're opening up a portal. So you want to meditate on that demon's sigil, and it strengthens your connection with that demon on a subconscious level and a conscious level once you do it long enough. And when you strengthen that connection, once again, it can work in your life and help you manifest things better, and help you manifest things better. It can teach you certain things, and it can do things outside of you as well. So that's how you can strengthen your relationship with a demon. And once again, there's demonic ends. Okay, so for every demon, there's a certain end that you can say, which is basically a sequence. It's like a a series of words that you can say, and you basically say these words and you vibrate it, and you can do this daily, and it strengthens that energetic connection that you have. So if you do this daily, that's how you're gonna build a relationship. You're gonna spend time every single day, spend a little bit of time trying to get a little bit closer, just by doing little things like that, like lighting an incense or lighting a candle, saying these ends, drawing the sigil. And then even when it comes to like doing a spell or something of that nature, you can look up on YouTube. There's many things you can look up, how to do a spell for this, or look it up on Google, how to do this, and you can practice and work with it. Okay, and once again, strengthening that connection is going to strengthen it inside of you, its connection inside of you, and help it strengthen itself outside of you to help you manifest the things that you're looking to create in your life. Okay, and then you can build multiple relationships. Sometimes they will lead you to other spirits. Sometimes they will lead you to other beings and say, hey, work with this spirit. Once you build that connection with them, they realize who you really are as a person, and they'll say, hey, for your best interest, try working with this entity. There's something that this entity wants to teach you, so try working with them and see what they teach you. Okay, so that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. Those are the little things that you can do. If you have any questions, feel free to drop down in the comments below. I'll engage with you there. Add me on Instagram, which is somewhere around here. My Instagram, once again, is JER_477. Feel free to send me a direct message if you have any questions about that. And I do consultations anywhere from like 15 to 30 minutes, all the way up to an hour. Prices range for that. So basically what you would do is you would pretty much ask any questions that you have, and I would work with you and help you understand the magical system that you're going through, or what you're walking through, and provide as much insight as I can and give you the mechanics on how to do these things. So I have that as well. And then also the first link that you're going to find in my description is going to take you straight to my merch. So right now I'm wearing my merch, and this is a sigil. So as I was telling you what a sigil was, this is a sigil on my shirt right here. So this is a certain sacred ancient symbol that when it's gazed upon, the subconscious mind recognizes it. Okay, these are certain symbols that the subconscious mind recognizes, and it charges it with energy. Okay, it charges it with energy, and there's a lot of other subtle things that go on as well. It opens up a gateway, it opens up a portal. So I work with this spirit. This is Hecate Sigil, so I like to honor her. This is how I build my relationship with her. One of the many things that I do to build my relationship with her. She's a very powerful spirit. If you work with her, you'll see that. But I see how she manifests in my life. I have this in honor, and you can use and harness this energy and put it or direct it in any way that you choose. So that's going to wrap this video up. Make sure you go check out that merch. It's going to be the first link in the description under Streamlabs. And other than that, once again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop down. I'll engage with you. And I love you guys. See you on the next video. Peace.